Hi guys, today we are meeting with Ujjaisi. I know our name is a little different, but yeah, thoda pronunciation lagega, but it's a beautiful name, Ujjaisi Vaidya. You may have heard Vaidya, but not Ujjaisi. It's a very uncommon name. Can you tell me a little bit about your name?
Okay, so my name is Ujjasi means Ujjata.
Oh wow,
So wherever
Ujjala.
I go, I spread the light.
Wow, that's amazing. Ujala, Ujala hai. So I would like to know about what exactly do you do?
Okay, so recently I have started my business HU Agronics. So HU Agronics means we are currently the manufacturer of 100% organically cultivated moringa plants. And moringa means the drumstick vegetable. We all are aware about it.
I actually didn't know it, but I came to know from you. Moringa means drumstick, which I really love. Now tell me about these products that you have.
Okay, so is it possible that we can eat 10 ounces of vegetable daily? Is it possible from your side?
possible. Not at all possible.
Okay, and in our daily lifestyle, is it possible that we consume daily all the types of nutrition in our daily life? If we regularly take the sabji, roti, rice, then is it not possible that we consume 120 plus nutrition from it?
Okay.
Okay, so this is the moringa is the only superfood that it gives 120 plus nutrition inside it.
Okay.
It also gives 10 plus amino acids and 46 plus antioxidants inside it.
Wow.
So it is the only superfood which we can include in our diet. So we can get all types of vitamin C, vitamin B3 and all.
Wow, this is the product, guys. This is the key to healthy life and health benefits nutrients. Yes.
Whether you are facing any of the gut issues such as the acidity, constipation, health, or you're facing any of the skin issues or the hair issues, this is the only superfood which you should consume it regularly. Because it will give you vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin B3, vitamin B12, everything which you have deficiency.
Wow. I think my friend will love this because he has a gut issue. He has a gut problem. I personally have a lot of problems with sugar spikes, and you've already recommended
Yeah,
me,
yeah.
and I would love to take the moringa.
And it is the superfood which is recommended for all the diabetic patients, cancer patients, thyroid patients, and everyone who is suffering from any of the diseases.
Wow. What if somebody is not having any disease but can improve their
Okay, so if anyone is suffering from not any diseases, then also they should take it. They will prevent it from any upcoming diseases. It will improve their immunity to the next level. It will improve the metabolism so much. So they should take it regularly.
That's a wonderful thing. I think, guys, you must try this. You can connect with her.
Yeah.
She is available, and you can DM her. What is your Insta ID? You can
Yeah,
say.
Insta ID is HU-Agronics, HU_Agronics.
Otherwise,
And you can also order to the website, or you can order also through the MS Word.
very good. And those information we will DM. We will put in the caption, and also you can connect with me so that I can connect with her.
And I also want to give some extra additional that people have the perspective that moringa leaf powder is little bit bitter. But I will change your perspective by making the ma'am taste my product. Is it bitter?
It's
Have
yummy.
this.
You know what? I would love to have a pani puri with this particular substance because it is so yummy. I loved it, and
सबको
imagine.
यही लगता है मैम कि ये एक्चुअली में बिटर होता है, पर एक्चुअली में हमने ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए हैं मोरिंगा के जो बच्चों से लेके बड़े तक इजीली सब कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं एंजॉय करके साथ. But you can have it in your buttermilk, you can have it in your dahi, or simply add it into water as you wish.
Well, buttermilk dahi is really, I think that's a good combination. I would love to have it. I would like you to give me some of these so that I can try it. And I want, the viewers to try it by ordering from her website. As I mentioned, the caption will have the details. You can order.
They can also order me through a WhatsApp number.
Through WhatsApp.
Which can
Yeah, we can do that. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.
Thank you.